Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Canvas student app. This is an app that's available on both iOS and Android devices. As you can see today we're using Android. So to start we're going to go ahead and log in. We can do that in a couple of ways. The first is going to be our QR code. To log in with the QR code you'll have to actually open up the Canvas web application and go to your settings where you can find the QR for mobile login option. For now, we're just going to actually go ahead and search up our school and log in the old-fashioned way. So go ahead and click Find My School, and then search in Butler Community College. And once you see that, go ahead and click it, and it will take you to our sign-in page. So we're just going to go ahead and log in here like normal. And once we've logged in, we're met with our dashboard. So this looks pretty familiar if you've used the Canvas web application. As you can see, we have our courses displayed here right in the very center. And if you actually click the tile icon in the upper right hand corner, you can change how it displays the courses. Now it's not going to change too much in this case just because we only have one course. If you do, however, have more than one course, you can still select favorites by clicking the pencil in the upper right hand corner and clicking on the star. This will go ahead and favorite the course, or you can click the star again to unfavorite it. The next thing we'll take a look at are the buttons along the bottom of the screen. You'll see Courses, To Do, and Inbox. We'll go ahead and click To Do for now. And as you can see, there's nothing in here, but this is where your to-do list will show up. Next up, we'll take a look at the inbox. Here you can create messages just as you would the Canvas inbox on the web application. You can also view and respond to old messages. Now we'll actually take a look at the course, so we'll do that by clicking on the course. And here we have our course navigation. We can scroll through and you'll see all the normal navigation items. We'll go ahead and take a look at modules now. We can do that by clicking the modules button. And here we see how the modules are laid out on our phone. We'll go ahead and scroll through these, and we're actually going to go ahead and click an assignment to take a look at that real quick. So here we've clicked my assignment, the M3 Reflection Art Therapy, and we're going to click that pencil icon in the upper right hand corner and go into the edit mode. So from here you can edit a few details of the assignment. As you can see, you can change the description, your point value, how you want it to display, and we're going to go ahead and just practice by changing the due date here, so we'll go ahead and move that back a day. And when we're finished up, we'll go ahead and click the Save button in the upper right hand corner. Next up, we'll take a look at how to view student submissions. We can do this by clicking in the submission area where you can see that one has not been submitted. So if we go ahead and click on this, it will open up and show all of our submissions. We'll go ahead and click on the one that has been submitted. So here we can see that you can view rubrics, you can leave comments, you can also see any files that are attached. So you can slide that away to view the full assignment, or slide it back up to give the grades. If you want to check what each standard of the rubric says in detail, you can just do so by clicking on the number and holding it. And once you've selected the grade, go ahead and just click the Save button, and that's it. You can check out other student submissions by just swiping left or right. And as you can see, we don't have any more submissions on this assignment. So now we're actually going to go ahead and head back to our dashboard, and we're just going to take a look at some of the settings that are available to you. To access the settings, all you have to do is click the three lines in the upper left hand corner and then click the Settings button. And from here, all you have to do is just click on each setting to enter in and explore more options. Thank you, and have a good day.